Exercise 12.3 question number 11. On a square handkerchief, 9 circular designs of radius 7 cm are made as shown in the figure. Find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. In this given figure, ABCD is a square handkerchief and 9 circular designs are made of each of radius 7 cm. We have to find area of remaining portion of the handkerchief. Radius of each circular design is given 7 cm. So diameter of each circular design will be 14 cm. 3 circular designs are along the side of the square. So side of the square will be equal to 3 times of diameter of each circular design, that is 14 into 3 equal to 42 centimeter. So radius of circular design is given 7 centimeter. So side of a square will be equal to 3 into diameter of the circular design, that is 3 into 2 into 7. 7 is radius, so 2 into 7 diameter, diameter into 3, 42 centimeter. So radius of each circular design is already given 7 centimeter, and we have found side of square handkerchief. Side of square handkerchief 42 centimeter. So therefore area of remaining portion of the handkerchief, area of remaining portion of handkerchief equal to side square area of square handkerchief minus area of 9 circular designs. So 9 into pi r square. Side square, side is 42, so 42 square minus 9 into pi 22 by 7 into radius of each circular design 7 centimeter, so 7 into 7, 42 square 1764 minus 9 into 22 into 7, 9 into 22 into 7. This is equal to 9 into 22 into 7, 1386. 1764 minus 1386 equal to 378 centimeter is, and this is area of remaining portion of the handkerchief. So this is the answer. Now question number 12. In the given figure, OACB is a quadrant of a circle with center O and radius 3.5 centimeter. If OD equal to 2 centimeter, then find the area of the quadrant OACB and area of the shaded region. In this given figure, OACB is quadrant of a circle, O is center of the quadrant, and OD is given 2 centimeter. We have to find area of the quadrant OACB and also area of the shaded region. O is center, so OA will be equal to OB and this will be equal to radius 3.5 centimeter, radius of the quadrant. This 3.5 centimeter we can write as 7 by 2 centimeter also for easy simplification. OD is given 2 centimeter. O is center of the quadrant, so OA and OB they are perpendicular, therefore OD and OB also are perpendicular. So let's find area of quadrant OACB. Area of quadrant OACB equal to area of quadrant. Direct we can use 1 by 4 pi r square because quadrant of a circle is 1/4 part of the circle. So 1 by 4 into pi r square. This is 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into r. We are going to take up 7 by 2 whole square. So 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. This 7 cancel. 2 11 times 22, 11 into 7, 77 by 4 into 2, 8 centimeter square. So this 77 by 8 centimeter square is area of quadrant OACB. Now we have to find area of the shaded region. So to find area of the shaded region in second part, first we need to find area of triangle BOD or even DOB, area of triangle BOD. So first we will calculate area of triangle BOD. O is center of the quadrant OACB. So angle BOD or angle BOA is a right angle. That is OB and OA or even OB and OD, they are perpendicular. So triangle BOD is a right angle triangle. So half into base BO into altitude OD. This is equal to half into OB is radius of the quadrant. So 7 by 2 into OD is given 2 centimeter. So 2 cancel. This is 7 by 2 centimeter square. This is area of triangle BOD. Now area of shaded region, area of quadrant OACB minus area of triangle BOD. So therefore area of shaded region equal to area of quadrant OACB minus area of triangle BOD, this is equal to 77/8 minus 7/2. If you take LCM, 77 minus 28 equal to 49/8 centimeter square. This is area of the shaded region. Question number 13. In the given figure, a square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. If OA equal to 20 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. In this figure, OABC is a square and it is inscribed in the quadrant OPBQ. We are given OA, that is side of the square, is given 20 centimeter and we have to find area of the shaded region. Clearly, area of shaded region is area of quadrant minus area of the square. Side of square is given, so we can find area of square. For calculation of area of quadrant, we need radius of the quadrant. So first we will calculate radius of quadrant. Here we are given OA 20 centimeter and OABC is a square, so therefore OB also will be BC, or we can say all four sides will be equal. So OA is given 21 side, so let us write AB also 20 centimeter. Actually all four sides of the square OABC will be equal. Two sides we are writing. Angle A is 90 degree, so because angle of square is a right angle, so let us apply Pythagoras theorem and calculate OB. So OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. OB, why we are calculating here? Because B is a point on the arc of the quadrant OPBQ. So actually, and O is center, so OB will be radius of the quadrant. That's why we are calculating OB. So 20 square plus 20 square. This is OB square equal to. So OB is equal to under root 20 square plus 20 square. This we can write 400 plus 400 800, or we can write 2 into 20 square. Direct we can understand it like this also, no problem. 20 square is perfect square number, square root is 20, so 20 root 2. So OB is 20 root 2 centimeter square, which is actually radius of the quadrant. So we can write that is radius of quadrant OPBQ is equal to 20 root 2 centimeter. So now we can calculate area of quadrant. So separately we can calculate area of quadrant, area of square and subtract, or we can write directly, therefore area of the shaded region equal to or let's calculate area of the quadrant OPBQ equal to 1 by 4 pi equal to 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 20 root 2 whole square. This is equal to 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 20 root 2 whole square. 20 square 400 into root 2 square 2. So 400 times 400, 100 into 3.14, 314 into 2 equal to 628 centimeter square. This is area of the quadrant. Therefore, area of the shaded region equal to area of the quadrant minus area of the square. So 628 minus area of square 20 square. So this is 628 minus 400 equal to 228 centimeter square. This is area of the shaded region. Question number 14. AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radii 21 centimeter and 7 centimeter and center O as shown in this figure. Find area of the shaded region. In this figure, clearly OAB and OCD are sectors of two concentric circles with center O and radii 21 centimeter and 7 centimeter respectively. We have to find area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region is area of sector OAB minus area of sector OCD. So radii of two concentric circles are 21 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Sector angle theta is given 30 degrees. We have to find area of the shaded region. It's very simple question. Direct we can do. Area of shaded region ABDC equal to area of sector OAB minus area of sector OCD. So area of sector OAB minus area of sector OCD. Let's write formula for area of sector. Theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta by 360 into pi r square, capital R we are writing for sector radius OAB, and theta by 360 into pi small r square for sector radius OCD. Theta by 360 pi, let's take common. Theta by 360 into pi r square minus small r square. Theta sector angle is 30. So 30 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 21 square minus 7 square. This is equal to 0 0 cancel, 3 by 36, 1 by 12 into 22 by 7 into. Here let's apply a square minus b square formula. So a plus b into a minus b, 21 plus 7, 28 into 21 minus 7, 14. Seven 4 ja 28, 4 3 ja 12. 22 into 14 by 3. 22 into 14 by 3. This is equal to 308 by 3 centimeter square, and this is the answer. Question number 15. In the given figure, ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter and a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. Find the area of shaded region. In this given figure, ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter as it is given. With BC as diameter, a semicircle is drawn and we have to find area of the shaded region. Radius of quadrant ABC, or we can write ABPC, is given 14 centimeter. So let's write radius of quadrant ABPC. Let's write ABPC equal to 14 centimeter. This is radius of the quadrant. A semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. AC and AB are equal. AB is radius and AC also radius, because it is given radius of quadrant of a circle 14 centimeter. So that's why AB and AC being radii of the quadrant 14 centimeter we have written. BC is diameter of another semicircle which is drawn in this given figure. So first let us find BC, which will be diameter of this semicircle BCQ, and thereafter we will find radius of semicircle BCQ. BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. This is Pythagoras theorem we are using in right triangle ABC. (14 square plus 14 square) BC square equal to, so BC is equal to under root 14 square plus 14 square equal to under root 2 into 14 square, and this is equal to 14 under root 2 centimeter. This is BC. Therefore, radius of semicircle BCQ radius of semicircle BCQ equal to, BC is diameter, so 14 root 2 by 2, this is 7 root 2 centimeter. Now see how we'll find area of shaded region. Area of shaded region will be area of semicircle BCQ plus area of triangle ABC minus area of quadrant ABPC. So this way we are going to find area of the shaded region, area of semicircle BCQ plus area of triangle ABC minus area of quadrant ABPC. So let us calculate area of semicircle BCQ. Area of semicircle BCQ equal to half into 22 by 7, half pi r square, so 7 root 2 whole square. This is equal to half into 22 by 7 into 7 square 49 into root 2 square 2. So these 2 cancel, 7 7 ja 49, 22 into 7 154 centimeter square. Now we will find area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC equal to half into base AC into altitude AB. This is half into 14 into 14. 2 7 ja 14, 14 into 7, 98 centimeter square. This is area of triangle ABC. Now we will calculate area of quadrant ABPC. So area of quadrant ABPC equal to 1 by 4 into pi r square, 22 by 7 into 14 into 14, because radius of quadrant ABPC is 14 centimeter. So 7 2 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14, 22 into 7, 154 centimeter square. So this way we have calculated area of semicircle BCQ, area of triangle ABC, and area of quadrant ABPC. Therefore, area of shaded region equal to area of semicircle BCQ 154 plus area of triangle ABC 98 centimeter square minus, or we can write here centimeter square, minus area of quadrant ABPC 154 centimeter square. This is 154 plus 98 minus 154, 98 centimeter square. This is area of the shaded region, and so it is a answer.